beautiful being, and welcome back to Collective Light. If you just finished your leg day, this 10-minute stretch is intended for you to be able to stretch out your quads, your calves, your hips, hamstrings, and your glutes. So if you have some time, go ahead and grab your mat and join this stretch to help with your recovery and so that you feel better tomorrow. We'll begin in a lying position. So extend your legs, bend into your knees, and come down onto your back. And bring your feet as wide as your mat, arms down by your side. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, draw your knees over to the left. Inhale to center, keep your lower back planted as you exhale to the right. Move with your breath at your pace. Feel free to pause in one space if you feel you need that stretch a little bit longer. And take a few rounds here. Good. Take one more round on each side. When you come back to center, bring your feet hips width distance. Cross your right ankle above your left knee and interlace your fingers behind your thigh. And flex both feet to activate your leg muscles here as you press your knee out and gently pull this leg in. Keep that lower back planted and breathe here. Feel free to breathe in through the nose and out through the nose or mouth. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, release that foot down. Plant your right foot down and cross your left leg over. Supine figure 4 on the other side. Again, flexing both feet and press gently that left knee out as you pull that right leg in. Take a few rounds of breath here. Allow your back body to relax into the mat. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, bring that right foot down and then the left. And pull your knees into your chest. Give yourself a nice rock and roll spinal massage until you come up to a seated position. And we'll come into our low lunge. We'll bring that right leg forward, left leg back. And relax your hips down towards the mat as you press and lift your chest. You can place your right palm and your left palm on top of your thigh here and gently press into that thigh to bring your hips down. Take one more deep breath in, deep breath out. You can stay here or add on a quad stretch. Kick that left heel towards you and use your right hand to grab the top of your foot or your ankle here and gently pull that heel in towards your glutes. Stay lifted in the chest as you inhale and exhale. Maybe draw that heel in a little bit closer. Take 2 more rounds of breath. Take a deep breath in and use your exhale to gently release that leg. Plant your palms down and bring that right knee to meet your left. Then place your left foot forward. First beginning with the hips, drawing those hips down towards the mat. And place your palms on your thighs to help gently guide your hips down. Breathe. Take one more deep breath in. Deep breath out. Feel free to add that quad stretch by kicking your heel towards you. Reach back. Stay lifted. And take 3 rounds of breath here as you gently bring that heel in towards you. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, release that foot down. Plant your palms and come back to tabletop. Step that right foot forward again. This time, shift your hips back. Keep them lifted over that back knee and flex your toes towards you. You can stay lifted in the chest or add a deeper stretch in the hamstrings by releasing down, folding and tuck your chin into your chest. Wherever you feel tension, breathe into that space. Take 3 more breaths. And use your inhale to rise up. Exhale, rebend that front knee. Come back to a twist. And then press the left foot forward. Exhale, shift your hips back. Flex your toes towards you. You can stay lifted or take a deep breath in. Exhale to fold over that leg to go a little deeper. Take 3 more rounds of breath here. Use your inhale to walk your palms forward, lift up, exhale, bend into that knee. Send that leg back. We'll come to a yogi squat, so you can come to the back of your mat here and bring your heels in, toes out. Draw your hips down and bring your hands to heart center. You can stay here. If you have a block or any support, you can bring it in between your heels here and relax down. And then use your elbows to press your knees open a little bit more. Take 3 breaths here. In through the nose, out through the mouth. 2 more rounds like that. Good, then bring your palms down. Straighten your legs to lift the hips. Toe heel your feet. Wide here. Heels press back. Toes point forward. Take a deep breath in to lengthen your spine, lift up slightly, and exhale, relax your head down, gaze through your legs. You have the option to grab opposite ankles to pull yourself in closer. And take 5 rounds of breath here. Use your inhale to come back to that halfway lift. And exhale to heel your feet enough so you can bend into your knees and come to a seat. Getting into the hips as we come down. Pull your knees into your chest and grab either the insides or the outsides of both feet. Relax your lower back into your mat as you press your feet towards the sky or ceiling here. You have the option to stay in stillness, maybe just pressing into your feet to draw your knees in closer to you. You also have the option to sway from side to side on your lower back to release some tension. Find what you need and breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Take 3 more breaths here. Then extend your legs to the sky. Flex your feet, relax your palms down, and let the blood flow down your legs here. Relax, release your upper body. And you're welcome to stay here. Otherwise, slowly draw your legs all the way down. Bring your feet as wide as the mat. Relax your toes. Bring your arms by your sides, palms face the sky. And just stay here in stillness. Notice how you feel right now. Take 3 more rounds of breath. Movement here. Pull your knees into your chest. Walk up to the seat. Reach your arms to the sky. And exhale, bring your hands down to your heart. Maybe down onto your thighs. If you liked this stretch, please don't forget to subscribe. Remember, you can do this daily or anytime after your leg workout so that you can feel better and more ready to go into the next day with whatever it is that you are working out. And if you want, feel free to comment below. What are you working today? So your glutes, you're doing squats. Let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you again next time.